Guys, today I am taking a look at the latest smart helmet from Basecamp. Now, this is for cyclists, e-scooter riders and more. Now, it's no ordinary helmet, so stick around to find out why, and I'll be back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seeing Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, today I am looking at this cool and latest smart helmet from Basecamp. Now this is their SF-999 Smart Urban Helmet, and I've got to say, it's pretty nice. Now, Basecamp sent me this smart helmet to review, and I have to say that if you know my channel, you know that you're always going to get my honest review, good, bad, or indifferent. So guys, as you can see, this helmet has been unboxed already. Well, in fact, it hasn't been unboxed, it's actually been unpacked because there are no boxes here. The helmet came in some bubble wrap, and inside was the helmet, this cool mesh bag to carry it around in, and a little box of tricks which contains some instructions, a spare battery, a USB-C charging cable, and a screwdriver to change out the battery in the controller. And guys, the controller itself is paired to the helmet and it controls the left and right indicators and the volume up and down. So that's pretty neat, and it's easy to install. You just put it on your handlebar, wrap the strap around it, and it takes about 10 seconds. So yeah, pretty cool. Now guys, looking inside the helmet, there is a generous amount of padding. And guys, the good news is this smart helmet also conforms to EU and US safety standards. The chin strap is nice and long, and it's well padded too. This helmet is also pretty lightweight, so it's going to be very comfortable, especially on long journeys. I took this out for a little ride for about 15 minutes today, and you know what guys, yeah, nice, light, there was no overheating inside, you know, everything just felt very, very nice. So yeah, definitely comfortable. Now guys, size adjustment is also a breeze. You've got this ratchet system. You just lock the knob in, twist it, and the helmet tightens. And if you pull the knob out again, you can easily loosen this strap. So you know what, it's really, really easy. And because the ratchet is so infinitely, I suppose, adjustable, you can get this pretty damn right to the size of your head. Now guys, what about those smarts that make this helmet, well, smart? Well guys, the helmet is Bluetooth connected. Now it can pair with your smartphone, so you can listen to music, podcasts, map directions, and make and take calls. Here you can see that there are some built-in open speakers. Yeah, open speakers, which means that you get to hear whatever your sounds are, but you can also still hear what's going on around you, like traffic, pedestrians, whatever. So that's pretty nice. There's also a windproof microphone, so you can have a conversation while in motion. The smart helmet also has a rear light and indicators, or turn signals if you hail from the US. Now to activate the rear light, you just push down the button next to the power button for 3 seconds, and boom, you are good to go. And like I said earlier, activating the indicators, I should do that now.
Turn right beware. Turn right beware. Turn left beware. Turn left beware.
There you go. All activated from the remote control. It's easy. Just press the L or the R and the indicator will flash, and you'll also get that sound from the speakers letting you know that your indicator is on and which direction you're turning. Now, I think these kind of keep going until you get to around 30 seconds, and then they switch off automatically if you don't cancel them yourself. So guys, that just about wraps this one up. This is a nice, safe and fairly smart helmet with some really nice smart features. At around £90, this is a bargain. But if you go to the website, which is now, at the time of making this video, the price has been discounted to £74. I'll also leave the links and any other discounts in the description. And I would say guys that my only negative is that the sound is a little bit tinny. I mean, comfort wise, this is great, right? But the sound is a little bit tinny from the speakers, and you know what, I guess it's to be expected by way of design. People could hear me very clearly at slow speeds when I was talking through the microphone, but you know, even though the microphone does do a great job of blocking out that wind, it doesn't always work that well at higher speeds. But all in all, guys, this is a pretty solid helmet and pretty cost effective. If you have any comments or questions, then please leave them in the comments section below. Like I said, I'll leave any product descriptions and any further discounts in the description. And guys, if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to be notified when I create new videos. So guys, thanks for watching, and thanks to Basecamp for sending me this rather cool smart helmet to review. I'm Dave with Seeing Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.